Hi friends, and welcome to Book a Day for Little Learners. Friends, this story is called Puppies, and it's an Elmo's World story. Do you like Elmo's World? Elmo, I think he's a fun character. Elmo is thinking about something special today, something that's small and furry and says, woof, woof. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what Elmo is thinking about? Let's find out. Woof, 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 that's right, puppies. Let's count how many puppies there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 puppies. Do you have a puppy at your house? I do not have a puppy at my house. I have 2 dogs. Elmo's fish Dorothy has a question. She wants to know what a puppy needs to stay healthy. Puppies need food and water, but not like this. You're not going to water your puppy. Like this. So you need food and water. Puppies need exercise too. Look, Elmo made a video. Elmo's video is called Elmo Walks a Puppy. Whoa, Elmo's puppy is walking Elmo instead. That happens. Puppies get very excited. It's good to walk your dog or your puppy every day. Have you ever heard puppies talk? It sounds like this. Arf, 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 arf. They make different sounds depending on how large or small they are. How can Elmo tell how his puppy is feeling? She wags her tail when she is happy. Wag, wag. Rrr. She growls when she's scared or mad. Rrr. Like, this one has the ball, this one does not. That's why their one is mad. The other one is growling back. Most of all, Elmo's puppy loves to show Elmo how she feels with kisses. Lick, lick, ha, 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 ha. Elmo loves his puppy too. Shh, puppies need plenty of sleep. So does Elmo, and so do you. Good night, puppies. Good night. Sleep tight. I'll see you tomorrow for the next story.